Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my Guyanese boiled and fried channa recipe. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have my channa or chickpeas. It was soaking overnight. I have some garlic, onion, sweet peppers, scallion, and parsley. I'll be using some seasoned salt, complete seasoning, black pepper, cumin or geera, some paprika, and some bouillon. So here I added my chickpeas or channa to my instant pot. I added a little water, a little salt, and we're going to cover this and allow it to pressure for about 20-25 minutes or so. To a preheated skillet, I added a little oil and then I went in with my aromatics and herbs. Give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Next, you want to add your channa or chickpeas. Then you want to come in with your seasoning for flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. And remember, you can use your own seasonings here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Once that is thoroughly mixed in, you want to add a little bit of the broth that we pressured the peas in. I like to save a little bit and add it in there because I don't like my channa dry. I like it more on the moist, wet side. So I like to add that in, lower the heat, and sit the lid on and allow it to go for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I like to come in with my potato masher and mash some of the peas. This gives it great texture and help the peas to stay nice and moist, just the way I like it. Once that is mashed, you want to give it a last stir, and that's basically it. This is all done. We can turn the heat off and get ready to enjoy. And here you have it, my version of Guyanese boiled and fried channa or chickpeas. Trust me, you guys will not regret trying this recipe. And you know, as a Guyanese, you cannot have channa without some hot mango sour. So I did pair mine with some mango sour, and it was chef's kiss. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.